Hi, this is Teacher Francis, and let's learn about fruits. Repeat after me. This is an apple. Apple. These are grapes. Grapes. This is a strawberry. Strawberry. These are lemons. These are lemons. This is a banana. This is a banana. This is an orange. Orange. Pear. A pear. This is a pineapple. Pineapple. Very good. What fruit did you see? Apple, orange, banana, pear, grapes, strawberry, pineapple, and that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.